Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the ChargeTech 124,800 milliamp portable power station. I repeat, 124,800 milliamp portable power station. This is a certified beast. Now you can pick this up from ChargeTech.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $700. Now on a side note, at the end of this video, if you like what you see and you want to buy one, use discount code Flossy and that'll save you $150, bringing the total price down to $550. That's what I call major savings. All right, so let's check this out. ChargeTech, I got to say it one more time, 124,800 milliamp portable power station. This summer on the beach, we going crazy. All right, so let's go through all of the features real quick. Power devices up to 600 watts combined. Power all your devices like cell phones, tablets, laptops, electric coolers, TV monitors, gaming consoles, mini fridges, lights, medical devices like your CPAP or your portable oxygen tanks, amps, and more. Includes 3 USB ports, 2 AC outlets, 1 60-watt PD port, 3 DC ports, and 1 cigarette lighter port. Now you also get a built-in Bluetooth speaker. Connect right to your portable power supply via Bluetooth connection or auxiliary cord right from your phone or tablet to start playing your music. Now you also get LED emergency light. Use the high-powered LED light panel in case of emergencies to illuminate dark areas. It has 4 settings: half brightness, max brightness, SOS, and strobe. All right, let's see anything else. Okay, here's what you get in the box. You get the 124,800 milliamp power station. You get your 19 volt, 4.5 amp charging adapter, and we'll go through all of the buttons. Now, if you watch my videos, you remember I did the ChargeTech last year. This is the one I've been using on the beach with the 2 AC outlets. This is a beast. So imagine what this one is going to be. Let's check it out. All right, so let's take a look at everything that you get in the box. You got your usual books and shit. Plug them, file them to the side. You got your charging plug. And you get 2 packs of poison, just in case you want to Cardi B somebody up. Now let's take a look at the power station. On the top, you got a carrying handle, and this weighs about 30 pounds. Not too heavy, I can easily lift it with one hand. Nice quality materials. Let's take a look on one side. Here's your 12 volt cigarette lighter adapter. You got 3 DC outputs, and you got 2 AC outputs. Now this is your power switch specifically for the AC outputs. On the other side, here's your LED light. You got your power button. Let's see if we got any juice. There it is, green light, 4 LEDs. You got a USB Type-C slot. You got a USB Quick Charge 3.0 slot. You got 2 5 volt, 2.4 amp USB slots. And you got a 19 volt, 5 volt, 1 amp input. Now here's your light. Let's see if this works. All right, there's your LED light, super bright. I just got blinded. Okay, that's going to be your SOS or strobe light. Let's see. All right, that's SOS. This is strobe light. And that's off. Now, I'm sitting right in front of this thing. I definitely got blinded. Here's your Bluetooth speaker. You got play and pause, volume up and down, and you got a auxiliary input. On the bottom, you got 4 rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it in place. And that's pretty much it. Now, let's test this out. Okay, so first, we'll test the lights. Long press for half brightness. There it is. One more press for full brightness. There it is. The next press, that's going to be your SOS. And one more press for the strobe light. Final press to turn it back off. All right, so now let's test the Bluetooth speaker. Hold play and pause to turn it on. Let's wait for it to pair up. All connected. Let's get max volume. There it is. Here we go. Alright, so now let's try some small basic items. Alright, so I got a USB cable. Let's plug in my Zero Lemon portable battery charger. There's your LEDs. It's charging up. Okay. See it for yourself. Now let's try a UE Mega Boom. Okay, got another cable right here. Let's plug this one in. Okay. See that light flashing? All right, so this one is charging up. That's the second one. Now let's do a phone. Okay, so we got the Mate 20 Pro. Let's plug this one in. Okay, this is charging up. And let's do an iPad. Matter of fact, we got an iPad Pro. All right, so we're gonna plug this in. There it is. Okay, everything is charging up. All right, so now let's test the AC outlets. Okay, got a plug right here. Plug that in. Let's start with a laptop. Okay, if you look closely, you see that light? Laptop is charging up. All right, now let's try some electric clippers. Okay, so we're gonna plug these in. This is so sick. All right, so now let's check one of my favorite products, the portable massager. Now, say you're an old man like me and you work out in the park and you catch cramps. We're just gonna plug this in and let's see if it works. There it is. Let's get max speed. This is a go. Now let's check another one of my favorite products, the hand blender. Nothing like making fresh margaritas on the beach. All right, so let's plug this in. Now this one has 2 speeds. We'll try low. No problems. And let's try high. This is a go. Okay, so now let's try something even bigger. Now I got 2 big giant bump box speakers, and I left both of them on overnight so the batteries are dead. All right, so let's plug them in. There it is, charging up. All right, so now let's try something even bigger. Those 2 giant PA speakers in the back. Here we go.
Powering on. Welcome to Alltech Lansing.
This is incredible. Now for the biggest test yet, we got a TV and a PlayStation. All right, so let's turn the TV on. Okay, there it is. Now we'll hit the PlayStation.
Let's talk about your new comedy, A Quiet Place.
This is so sick. Imagine my tent on the beach in the summertime. I got the cooler, I got my PlayStation and a TV. I'm making margaritas and giving out free haircuts. Let's check this to make sure it fully works. Okay, let's do a quick round.
Street Fighter 5.
This is incredible.
You'll be on to battle.
All right, I'll give y'all one round. Why not?
Round one. Fight.
Okay. Now, just so you know that it's coming from the battery, I'm going to hit the switch. There it is. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the ChargeTech 124,800 milliamp portable power station a major go. And if you're keeping track at home, this is my first Quad Major Go product of the year. I love this power station. Now let me say this. Last year, I was using this version with the 2 AC outlets. All of my beach parties, all of my barbecues, everybody that I hung out with wanted to steal this one from me. I was making margaritas on the beach. I had my box fan, charging up my laptop, my computers, my cameras, everything. This one right here, same thing, but on steroids. Now you got a built-in Bluetooth speaker, you got your LED lights, you got all your USB ports, and 2 AC outlets with 300 watts each. This is incredible. Now, I just scratched the surface and showed y'all some basic stuff, but use your imagination. Imagine how sick this is going to be for your camping trips, your tailgate parties, your barbecues, your clandestine late-night beach activities. You will be the man when you pull up with one of these. Trust me when I tell you that. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. And like I said, if you like this, make sure you use discount code Flossy and you'll save $150. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. All right, one more thing. Now, I know some of y'all getting ready to say $550, the price is too goddamn high. But here's one thing you got to remember. When you're buying heavy-duty portable batteries, it's all about quality over quantity. Now, you can buy the cheap ones if you want. See how long they'll last you. Here's my ChargeTech from last year. Now, I've been using ChargeTech for a minute. If I power this one up, still charges fully. Now, I haven't charged this one up for maybe 3 months. Still on 98%. Quality over quantity. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock Wonder Beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're going to buy some of that technology, you got to understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, the Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.